Parallelogram law of vectors. The parallelogram law of vectors can be applied to any situation where multiple forces are acting on an object. The weight displacement by a crane and launching of a stunt person from a cannon in a circus is an example of this law. Parallelogram law of vectors state that if two vectors acting simultaneously on a particle are represented in magnitude and direction by the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram, the resultant can be represented in magnitude and direction by the diagonal of that parallelogram. Principle: let two vectors P and Q act simultaneously on a particle O at an angle theta. They are represented in magnitude and direction by the adjacent sides OA and OB of a parallelogram OACB. Then the diagonal OC passing through O will represent the resultant R in magnitude and direction. Vector R is equal to vector P plus vector Q. R is equal to square root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Materials required: Gravesand's apparatus, 2 hangers with slotted weights, a stone, strong thread, white drawing paper sheet, drawing pins, mirror strip, pencil, half-meter scale, compass, protractor. Procedure: fix a white drawing paper sheet to the board using drawing pins. Set up the Gravesand's apparatus by tying 3 pieces of thread in which the center one carries the unknown body and the other 2 pass through pulleys and carry equal weights. Trace the position of the images of the thread on the paper with the help of a mirror strip. Assuming a scale of 50 grams is equal to 2 centimeters, mark OA is equal to 4 centimeters and OB is equal to 4 centimeters to represent P is equal to 100 grams and Q is equal to 100 grams. Complete the parallelogram OACB and join OC. This represents the resultant vector R, which corresponds to the weight of the unknown body. OC multiplied by the scale will give you the value of the unknown weight S. Also calculate the weight of the body R using the equation R is equal to square root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. After measuring the angle AOB theta using a protractor, mean of the two values of S and R will give the correct mass of the body W equal to S plus R the whole divided by 2. Repeat the experiment with different suitable values of P and Q. Applications: the parallelogram law of forces is a basic law in vector addition. It is applied in mechanics in such ways as lifting of load by cranes, bracket, stay wires, etc. Parallelogram law of vectors. Aim: to find the weight of the given body using the parallelogram law of vectors. Let's understand the main parts of Gravesand's apparatus. Place a paper on the wooden board. Take pins from the box. Firmly fix the paper on the board using the pins. Take a thread and pass it over the pulleys and hang equal weights, say 20 grams to both ends. Mark it as P and Q. An unknown weight attached to a third string is tied to the middle of the first thread and marked as O and S. Hang another 20 grams to both ends. Place a mirror strip beneath the thread and mark the points with a pencil at the edges of the mirror where its image coincides. Do this for the other two threads. Remove the paper from the board by releasing the pins. Place it on the table. Join the marked points with a pencil and a scale. Assuming a scale of 20 grams, OA is equal to 4 centimeters, OB is equal to 4 centimeters to represent P equals 80 grams weight and Q 80 grams weight respectively. Measure the either sides of point O with a scale. Measure 4 centimeters on a compass using a scale. Draw an arc from point B and another arc from point A joining the previous one and mark it as C. Complete the parallelogram AOBC. Draw OC. It is found that OC is equal to 4.3 centimeters. Record the observations in the observation table. Measure the angle AOB with the help of a protractor and note it. Complete the tabular column with the observations. Unknown weight S is equal to 86 grams weight. Unknown weight R is equal to 85.96 grams weight. Unknown weight is equal to S plus R divided by 2. That is equal to 85.98 grams weight, which is equal to 85.98 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilograms weight.